I just broke the cheese block.
Welcome everybody to another episode of
Cookin
with Sacha and Heidi. What are we making tonight?
Tonight we are not doing a dessert, we are doing a main course, and we are having
quesadillas and salad.
So let's get started.
Yeah. So we have cheese, tortillas,
Whole grain, whole wheat wraps. I call grating the cheese. Me.
Oh, this is a really great meal for kids to prepare. It's a good one for kids to do because it's just quick and easy. Just tortillas, cheese, whatever.
Sacha, it's cheese grating time. Cue the montage. I just broke the cheese block. I broke the cheese block. Yeah, if you have a narrow block of cheese, do not hold it like that. As I just learned.
We got a cast iron pan here, and we're just gonna start warming it up. If you need help from a parent turning the stove on, do it because you don't want to burn yourself.
So we're gonna warm our oven up just for warming. The ones that are finished will go in the oven.
Bake 200. Let's start.
So we got a nice pile of cheese. If you need more, just grate more.
Okay, so quesadillas are super easy because you just take this, pop it in the pan, and then
Some cheese on it.
put some cheese. And there you go. Then you take this. You flip it and it looks like crisp, as I would say, on the other side. Okay, yeah.
So some people think we might be a little weird, but we do put a bit of fruit in our salads. All right, so there's two ways that you can check if it's ready. You can move it into the middle. See if it's melty. It's melty. So the other way, you just flip it over. See how brown it is on the other side.
Oh, it doesn't look very brown. I'm gonna put it in the strainer, and then I'm gonna rinse it when I'm done, and then I'll put it in the bowl. Bling!
Very nice.
So get a large plate.
Yeah. Oh, put it in the oven. Okay. The rest.
Alright, so next quesadilla. This one's ready. Oh yeah, fail.
It looks like she's fully.
So to go with
That was our last thing.
salsa. I don't know if we have any sour cream. No sour cream right now. As a substitute for sour cream would be yogurt. Frank's Red Hot, hot sauce.
Salad situation is on the table. We got spinach, strawberries, carrots, celery, and grapes. And cucumber. Okay, so for dressings, on the salad we put Monona Pia's dressing. Our friends make it. Monona Pia's. So if you're interested in this stuff, we love it. And if you're interested, you amazing job. So this is yummy. This is our first time making quesadillas by ourselves, so it's really good.
See you next time on Cookin.